I'm designing an Ultra 4 tube chassis, and what I need to figure out is the front bulkhead modifications in order to accommodate the bump stops for the independent suspension. This plate is for the rear bump stop, trying to constrain it as much as possible, even though it's kind of a strange shape. And then same thing, a boss and then a cut that shares the same sketch. And so now I need to make the two front extrusions that are going to go through that front chassis bulkhead. But before that, I need to make some mounting plates for the front bump stops that tie into that front bulkhead. And so I'm modifying the bulkhead part to have some extra plates that will tie the chassis to the front bump stops. And then I just need to add some lightweighting cuts. My favorite SolidWorks feature to use for lightweighting cuts is offset entities with trim entities. So you can have a center sketch and then offset entities around that, which creates a sketch that's offset by a distance that you define. And then everything that's left over, you can just trim that out so that you have a fully defined sketch that you can boss, extrude in one feature. And if these share the same center plane, then they can share the same sketch with a mid-plane boss and a mid-plane cut. And so this part ended up looking really cool. It's going to be really strong. And I just want another chassis beam going right through the center of it to constrain it laterally. And then that first arc that I'm defining, I need to make sure that it can capture the winch in a place that's going to have good approach angle. And it's the front of the vehicle, so it has to sort of have a cool shape to it as well.